What we will study in marketing management, let me tell you about that first. In marketing management, we will learn about what is marketing, what is marketing management, different philosophies of marketing management, functions of marketing management, role of marketing management. Very important topic in this chapter, marketing mix. मार्केटिंग मिक्स, और इस चैप्टर को इसलिए भी बहुत ध्यान से पढ़ेंगे, आप ध्यान से समझेंगे, बिकॉज प्रोजेक्ट फाइल फॉर बोर्ड एग्जाम इज प्रिपेयर्ड आउट ऑफ दिस चैप्टर. नॉर्मली प्रोजेक्ट फाइल ऑफ बोर्ड एग्जाम will be prepared on the basis of this particular chapter and one more chapter, but this is the main one, marketing management. I will also tell you about different types of elements of marketing mix. There are 4 P's. 4 P's. P's here means P stands for first P, price, product, promotion, price, product, promotion. There are 4 P's which we are going to study. लास्ट टॉपिक होगा, अभी नहीं, लास्ट में हम पढ़ेंगे. प्रोडक्ट मिक्स, प्राइस मिक्स, प्रमोशन मिक्स एंड प्लेस मिक्स. एक प्रोडक्ट को कैसे मार्केट करना है, कैसे उसका प्राइस सेट करना है, कैसे उसका प्रमोशन करना है, कैसे उसे डिफरेंट प्लेसेस में अवेलेबल कराना है. द चैप्टर इज ऑल अबाउट प्रोडक्ट, इट्स मैन्युफैक्चरिंग, branding, labeling, packaging, marketing, promotion, transportation to different places, making it available to different places. Everything will be taught in this chapter. Very, very important. Keep the camera on. Ayush, Satnam, Jasanjeet. So when we talk of marketing, can anybody tell me in short, what do you understand by a market or marketing and marketing? Anybody can try. Ansika, what is market and what is marketing? In general terms, you can tell, not necessarily that you need to read from the book.
Market is a place where buyers and sellers interact.
Market is a place.
Exchanging products.
Marketplace where buyers and sellers meet to buy or sell is a good definition. But nowadays, market does not necessarily means a place. Market does not necessarily means a place. आप ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग करते हैं, उसमें कोई मार्केट तो है नहीं. There is no place you visit. They do not have any physical existence of that particular place. Flipkart, Amazon, जो इतनी बड़ी आपके लिए मार्केटिंग प्लेटफॉर्म प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं, आपको पता है ये कोई भी चीज प्रोड्यूस नहीं करते. They just take our orders, they just pass those orders to the manufacturers, they get the products from them and they pass it to us, deliver it to us. इसके लिए उन्हें अपनी कोई भी मार्केट प्लेस की जरूरत नहीं है, कोई भी शॉप की जरूरत नहीं है, किसी भी ऐसी जगह की जरूरत नहीं है जहां पर जाके हम प्रोडक्ट को देखें, उसे बार्गेन करें, उसे फिर ऑर्डर करें और फिर उसे खरीदें. So now market is not a place, it's only a medium. It's only a medium to make available the goods and services to its customers. इसके लिए कस्टमर और बायर और सेलर को मिलने की भी जरूरत नहीं है. There is no need for buyers and sellers to meet also. That is why when I say market is only a medium, it is understood that it is not necessarily required a physical existence of market. Physical existence of market is not required. A place is not at all required. हम पढ़ेंगे इसमें what can be marketed, what is marketing. Marketing also is a new concept. Earlier, the main motive of the business firms were to sell the goods. They used to follow selling concept. But nowadays you see, even before the selling, when the good is not produced also, there are surveys being done to know the likes and dislikes of people, to know about their interests, to know what they want in their product, to know what they would prefer in terms of taste, in terms of color, in terms of different features. Different mobile companies, they make surveys and they find out what essential feature their customer want in their phone, upcoming phone. Accordingly, the phone is designed. Accordingly, the product is manufactured. It is customized according to the needs of the customer, likes of the customer, preferences of the customer. It is known as marketing. उसके बाद वो प्रोडक्ट पहले बनाया जाएगा according to the need and demand and customization of the customer. उसके बाद फिर उसे बेचा जाएगा, उसके बाद उसे जो है पब्लिक तक पहुंचाया जाएगा. And then you see after sale services, उसकी ब्रांडिंग, पैकेजिंग, लेबलिंग, प्राइस फिक्सेशन, ट्रांसपोर्टिंग इट टू डिफरेंट प्लेसेस, कि उसे हमें ऑनलाइन बेचना है या उसे ऑफलाइन बेचना है, शॉप्स के थ्रू बेचना है. आपने देखा होगा डिफरेंट फोन्स, डिफरेंट प्रोडक्ट्स आर अवेलेबल ओनली ऑनलाइन, ओनली ऑनलाइन. इट इज द स्ट्रेटजी ऑफ द कंपनी. सो वी हैव टू सी दैट कंपनी जो है जब प्रोडक्ट्स को बेच रही है वो कौन सा मीडियम चूज कर रही है, क्यों कर रही है, उसकी रेंज में, उसके टारगेट में कौन कौन से कस्टमर्स हैं. All these things we will study in this chapter. Also, when we will study this chapter, we will study about different marketing philosophies, जो अलग अलग philosophies वर्क करती हैं डिफरेंट प्रोडक्ट्स को बनाने में, डिफरेंट प्रोडक्ट्स को मैन्युफैक्चर करने में, डिफरेंट प्रोडक्ट्स को कस्टमर्स तक पहुंचाने में, और जो भी उनकी थिंकिंग है वो क्या है, किस पर्टिकुलर चीज पे बेस्ड है, दैट आल्सो वी विल स्टडी. सो स्टार्टिंग विद मार्केटिंग. व्हाट इज मार्केटिंग? मार्केटिंग मींस इवन बिफोर द गुड्स आर एक्चुअली प्रोड्यूस्ड, मार्केटिंग स्टार्ट्स. Marketing starts even before the goods are actually produced. That is why I explained you about the surveys, about the likes and dislikes, preferences of the people about a certain product. And it continues even after the goods have been sold. It is a process. Marketing is a process which involves production, which involves selling of goods, which involves after selling of goods, after sale service, what we call, which involves its a promotion which involves its advertisement, which involves its branding, which involves its labeling, packaging. Everything is in marketing. All these things are the components of marketing, elements of marketing. Marketing में ये सब कुछ आ जाता है. Marketing is a broad term. Selling भी marketing का ही एक part है. Advertising भी marketing का ही एक part है. Production भी advertisement का ही marketing का ही एक part है. Publicity भी marketing का ही एक part है. So whatever we will study in this chapter, that belongs to marketing. So marketing is a broad term, is a continuous and long process in which different components, different elements will be taught to you. Marketing is a social process by which individual group obtain what they need and want through creating different types of offerings. जो भी पब्लिक डिमांड करती है वो सारी चीजें हम प्रोड्यूस करते हैं, उसके बाद उसे मार्केट में उतारते हैं. इट इज कंसिडर्ड अ सोशल प्रोसेस बिकॉज मार्केटिंग requires business to interact with people. Marketing is considered a social process because it involves people. It takes care of the concerns, the interests of the society, of the people. It is directly related with them about their likes and dislikes. इसलिए मार्केटिंग को सोशल प्रोसेस कहा गया है. Following features of marketing are must to notice and understand. The following features of marketing are very, very important to be understood. It directly depends upon need and want theory, demand and supply. In economics, you must have studied about these. Can anyone tell me principle, demand and supply in economics? Unmute yourself. Demand and supply, need and want.
It refers to consumer desire to purchase goods and services.
In economics, yes, I am talking about. Must have studied these topics.
To pay a price for a specific good or service.
Yes, I think in the first chapter itself, there is something related to it. What is that? Ansika, do you remember something in the first chapter of economics? There is something related to this necessity, utility. Do you remember? Which is some way related to our this particular chapter also, marketing management, where marketing is basically done keeping in mind the opinion of the society, the customer, their likes and dislikes, their preferences. On the basis of demand only, goods are made available, they are produced. Before that, they are customized according to the demand of the people. And then they are produced and then they are supplied. After sale services are being provided. It all is done with the whole soul motive of satisfying the customer. So therefore, marketing is a wide term. It creates a market offering. It creates a market offering, means offer the product to satisfy the needs and wants of people. First is to check what are the needs and wants through surveys, through questionnaires. No, आपने पढ़ा होगा उसमें क्या कहते हैं उसे direct, primary and secondary type of surveys are done, right? Direct and indirect surveys are done. and questionnaires are prepared. इवन जब आप मोबाइल में कभी आप यूज करते हैं मोबाइल फेसबुक वगैरह, उसमें आप देखते हैं कितने सारे सर्वेज आते हैं. So a product is prepared and market offering. It is offered in the market according to the needs and requirements. Then customer value, very important marketing में है customer की value. Customer is the kingpin of the market. He is the king of the market. A marketer's job is to ensure that the product or the service he is offering to the customer has an added advantage over the products offered by its competitors. आप अगर कोई भी प्रोडक्ट मार्केट में ऑफर कर रहे हैं तो वो आपके कंपटीटर के प्रोडक्ट से कुछ ना कुछ उसमें एक्स्ट्रा होना चाहिए. सम एडेड एडवांटेज, कुछ ना कुछ आपके प्रोडक्ट की ऐसी होनी चाहिए. सेलिंग, आपके प्रोडक्ट की सेलिंग की कोई ना कोई ऐसी खासियत होनी चाहिए प्रोडक्ट में which differentiates it from the competitor's product. Then only your product will have advantage, and then only customer will value your product. Customer को आपने वैल्यू देनी है more than the value given to the customer by the competitor. The customer will prefer to buy the product only when he gets an added advantage or benefit he gets more than the other competitors. भाई आपके मोबाइल में अगर कोई एक्स्ट्रा फीचर होगा, कोई एक्स्ट्रा एडवांटेज उसमें कस्टमर को मिलेगा, then only he will be attracted towards a particular brand or particular product because he is getting something extra in this. Satnam Singh, please explain the 3 points I have told. Satnam, explain the 3 points I have just explained. Turn on the camera. Now explain the points. What are those elements which are must in marketing? Were you there in the class? Then?
Wait, sir, बता.
It is all going on record. Rini, please tell. That is why I asked you. Keeping your camera off, who knows what you are doing there, whether you are there or not. Rini. Yes, beta, please.
Yes, sir. Sir, first is need and wants. Sir,
Yes.
second is creating a market offering.
Yes.
And sir, third one is customers value.
Customers value means to say customers should be given more value. The product should be given advantage over other products so that customer would prefer to buy the product because it has got some added advantage or feature. Very nice. And also there should be some exchange mechanism. Exchange mechanism should be there, must. That is, the process of marketing allows buyer and seller to obtain what they need and want. So the exchange mechanism, जो हम starting में बात कर रहे थे अंशिका, that there is no need of a particular place where buyers or sellers need to meet. We only need to provide a mechanism, a system. Online is the system where buyers and sellers, they get what they want. This is the exchange mechanism. Flipkart, Amazon, OLX, ये सब क्या है आपके? ये मीडियम है. They are the medium of exchange mechanism. The goods and services are exchanged for money or something considered valuable by the people. That is because customers are spread over a large area and sellers are also spread over large areas. So these buyers and sellers only need a medium, an exchange mechanism where they can, buyers can demand for goods or services and sellers can provide those goods and services. For that they need not meet, they need not come to interact with one another. This is the beauty of this type of mechanism, which allows buyers and sellers to interact, to exchange goods and services. Title of ownership is exchanged, because exchange is the essence of management, is the essence of marketing. Without exchange of goods and services, exchange of money, exchange of the title of ownership, it is not possible. Marketing is not possible. So it is done. At least two parties should be there. What are the essential needs? Two parties should be there in the exchange process. They should be capable of offering something, right? Or goods or services. Each party should have the ability to communicate with one another and deliver the product or services. Both the parties, buyer and seller, they should enter into the contract willingly. Their own volunteerness should be there. Nobody should be forced to enter into any type of business transaction. Then it will not be a business transaction. Okay, it should be willingly done. So that is all for today. Just a hint what we are going to study in the chapter. It was an introductory part. Concept of marketing I told you, essentials of marketing I told you, and I told you that why marketing is much more than selling of goods. Marketing starts even before the product is manufactured, and it continues even after the goods are sold. Even the after sale services, the guarantee, the warranty, each and every scheme offered by the company in favor of the product, in favor of the customer, for his satisfaction, is covered by marketing. It is a very wide concept, broad concept, which we will study further in detail. Be regular to your classes. Take your classes very seriously. Follow the instructions and update your work. Those who are following the instructions will be definitely benefited later on. Any question anybody would like to ask, any query, please be regular. Please follow the instructions so that each and everything goes on well, smoothly. Yes, my dear friends.
और ये सेकंड पेपर होंगे वो भी ऑब्जेक्टिव होंगे?
Loudly बेटा.
सर जो सेकंड पेपर होंगे वो ऑब्जेक्टिव होंगे?
Subjective ही बेटा सब कुछ. Only thing is you will have to write the correct answer, tick at the last, but you will have to solve everything, write everything. समझे? चाहे वो मैथमेटिक्स हो, चाहे वो अकाउंट्स हो, चाहे वो इकोनॉमिक्स हो, whatever is to be solved, यू हैव टू सॉल्व इट। आपका पूरा क्वेश्चन आएगा बेटा और आपको उसे सॉल्व करना है। सिर्फ यह है कि आंसर वहां आपको दिया हुआ। आप देख रहे हैं ना 40 मिनट के पेपर के लिए वो आपको 90 मिनट दे रहे हैं, 1.5 आवर एमसीक्यू में। इट मींस इट विल बी सब्जेक्टिव ऑल्सो, वेरी फ्यू क्वेश्चंस डायरेक्ट। इट विल बी केस स्टडी, molded questions, missing figures, calculative, evaluative, logical, HOTS, and samples I have sent you. Go through them. In few days time, sample papers will come from the board. But don't think that it will be completely MCQ. Schools may reopen soon and you may have to write full exam. In MCQ, you will be at loss because it will be of less weightage. Weightage of the marks will be less if it is MCQ and it is online. So work hard. Do everything thoroughly. In case of any doubts or queries, feel free to ask during the class only. Thank you. God bless all of you.